Okay.
Baba.
Hi guys, welcome. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for the breakfast. Okay, so first of all, I will be blending my oatmeal because we are making oatmeal and banana pancake. This is really amazing. It's really filling. It has a lot of fiber, which is good for our body. So this is what I'll be making for breakfast. Okay, after blending it, I'll transfer this in my plates, and we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I added milk. Okay, if you have the liquid one, you can use that. And I added just a little bit of sugar because baby girl is gonna eat it and I don't want her to have too much sugar. Then I also added baking powder. Okay, then I'll mix all my dry ingredients together. And here I'm breaking my eggs. We're using 2 eggs for this recipe. Then I'll mix them together. I always add my vanilla inside my egg. I don't know, but I always add inside my egg. Then I'll add my dry and wet ingredients together. I'll give that a stir and also add water and give that a stir. And my daughter is always in the kitchen with mama trying to help out. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this content. I'm showing you all what we had in a day, what I cooked for my family in a day. So please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Hi, if you're new, my name is Jessica Chonorek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of 1. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in my lifestyle and everything, please stay tuned. So I just added butter. I'm using unsalted butter for this. Then I'll just use my spoon and scoop just one, and I'll allow this to cook. I'll flip it when it's golden brown. I'll flip the both sides when the both sides are golden brown. So guys, this is the end result of the pancake. They look so delicious. I'm going to be putting some topping, which is banana at the top. I'll be adding some banana at the top for, you know, decoration and the rest. Then I also added honey, but if you have these syrup, maybe chocolate syrup, vanilla syrup, caramel syrup, that is also nice, but I didn't have that. I had honey, so I used honey for this. Then I'll be diluting this with my green tea. This is my favorite. I'm taking green tea and apple. It's a mixture of 2, and this is the end result, guys. So what do you think? For lunch, I'll be breaking this coconut. Okay, we'll be having some coconut rice with stew and some fried plantain. Guys, plantain now is good in Nigeria. Now good. So if you have this measuring cup in your house, let me know. This is from childhood and it has grew on me. So I'm going to be using this 1 cup of rice because it's mostly for lunch. It's mostly me and baby girl that have lunch. Okay, so I'll be cooking the rice, and yes, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Okay, so please keep on watching. So I'll be removing the coconut from the shell, and then after removing it from the shell, I'm going to grate it. So guys, this is me grating the coconut. Okay, let me know in the comment section, how do you grate, like extract your coconut juice? Do you grate it or do you blend it? Let me know in the comment section. So I'll just be grating it. After grating it, then I will move to the next step. So after grating it, I'll add hot water inside, then I will squeeze out the juice. This recipe reminds me of home when we go to church, and on Sundays my mom loves cooking coconut rice and stew on Sundays. So this is how she does her coconut rice, and this is how I do mine now because I learned from my mom. Yeah, so I'm just going to be squeezing it out, like extracting the milk. Then after I wash this, I will strain. After straining, then the coconut milk is ready. Please guys, I washed my hand though. Yes, my hands are clean. Yeah, so after I extract the juice, I will put it in the pot. Put it in the pot to add our rice and our salt, and you allow your coconut rice to boil. Yeah. Guys, this is my plantain. I took my eyes off this plantain for 1 second. Go shop on like that. Plantain now, 4 plantain is 1,000 yen. Plantain now gold. Nobody they buy plantain anyhow. If you born, chop your plantain, you born plantain like that because it is a gold. It is a gold. So fam, the food is ready and it's time for me to plate. Okay, coming. So guys, this is what my lunch looks like. Okay, so I'll enjoy this with water. This reminds me of home. I hope you enjoy, or you are enjoying this vlog. So guys, this is what the chicken breast looks like. I've already deboned it, so I'll be adding some paprika. I'll be spraying some paprika, and also added black pepper and garlic for the seasoning to season the chicken breast. Then I added some salt to taste. So this is how it's gonna go: chicken, flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. So I'm going to take the chicken, okay, I'll dip it in the flour, okay, to get that crispy chicken. This is what you need to do. You take your chicken, you dip it in the flour, then you dip it in the egg. The egg, I added salt. Okay, then I put it in my breadcrumbs, okay, and I will coat every part of the chicken breast with the breadcrumb. Make sure all the breadcrumbs are all over the chicken breast. Then I will put it aside. I'll repeat this process, then I'll show you guys how I fry my chicken breast. So if you have an air fryer, which is really healthy. You can use that, but I don't have air fryer, so I'm going to be frying it with oil, groundnut oil. So I'll just add little groundnut oil inside, then I'll fry both sides for at least 10 minutes of each side. Or when you see that your chicken is golden brown, you take it out. So this is how I fry my chicken breast, and this really comes out very crispy. You will ask for more and more because this is so delicious. So if you've watched this extent and you've not subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. So please keep on watching. So for the potato recipe, after peeling the potato, I'll wash it, then cook it, add some salt. Then after the potato is ready, we are going to fry it. Remember the oil you used to fry your chicken? Yeah, we're going to use that oil to fry the potato. So please keep on watching. So guys, this is what the chicken breast looks like after it's been fried. Okay, it looks so juicy and so yummy. So after frying the chicken, I transfer my cooked potato in the same oil, then I'll fry it. This farm is so amazing. It gives the potato that crispy body. Inside is soft but outside is crispy, if you get what I mean here. So this is the end result of everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you notify whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. So far, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.